Hello everyone, today we will be testing the Wheelock 34T-24. Now wait a second, didn't I already test a Wheelock 34T in the past? Well, I'll show you something. This is actually the legitimate version this time. Not saying the other 34T wasn't legitimate or anything, but I'll tell you why. The 34T is basically the 7002T without a strobe. Normally you would have the strobe on top and it would be wired in. I'll show you the back. There would be normally wires going from here up to the strobe, but this does not have that. So in this case, whenever I sound the alarm in this video, you're going to hear just a clean, simple buzz from this thing. No skipping of any kind. Alright, without further ado, let me sound the alarm. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you may notice this is a little bit different. I have it flat on the surface here as opposed to tipped back like this. So I just want to see how this horn sounds like this. So without further ado, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Sounded a little bit better just lying flat as opposed to being tipped back on the angle. Now to activate this alarm I'll be using the Firelight BG6. Well, I kind of want to emulate an older system per se with these things and horn onlys. The only major difference would be this would be a 34, not a 34T. It wouldn't have the vandal resistant grill. Like all this wouldn't be filled in. You would just have this framework here. Well, without further ado, let's pull it. 3, 2, 1. Let me just tighten this a little bit with the thumb. Well, that was a test of the 34T from Wheelock. Thanks for watching. That'll be it.